What?
बैठ Ahmet Rıza खड़े हैं Nasibət problem olsa कैसे ओके Altaf sir
Ak minute östi karo na östi thawo na östi karo pan şurada olsun. Eight months, especially in this pandemic when the need was much more, and I'm sure as he performed before pandemic, we are sure he will take care of the things. He has just taken over immediately after he got elected, and his priority would be first how we can help in control of this pandemic. Whatever should be done and can be done, I can assure you all, Mr. Junaid will not leave any stone unturned. As all of you know, Srinagar municipal corporation went through a turmoil. And Apni party having its base mainly in Srinagar, I represented Amira Qadar, Ashraf Saab represented Sonowar, Noor Muhammad Saab represented Patmalu. So our stakes in the development of Srinagar are huge as a party. I want to assure the citizens of Srinagar that we will try to come up to your expectations in terms of the civic facilities. Our endeavor would be together, Junaid Saab and me, that Srinagar becomes one of the world-class cities. Mr. Noor Muhammad Saab is one of the grassroots politicians, workers. We come from different backgrounds, but Alhamdulillah, we know how to deliver. Because to deliver in one's field is very important. So inshallah, he will always have that guidance and backup available. I request all of you also that to build Srinagar into a world-class city,
The main reason is that Apni party has emerged at a very critical juncture for Jammu and Kashmir as a new political party which believes in the politics of pragmatism, which believes in the politics of delivery, and has emerged as an alternative to the politics of exploitation. I have, in my brief political career, understood very well the vast difference between the rhetoric of the the traditional regional parties and what they actually intend to do, which is always almost contradictory to their own rhetoric. So Apni party has come as a fresh breath of air, and it seems to be the only credible alternative to the politics of exploitation that has been heralded by the traditional mainstream in Jammu and Kashmir.
Look at it from that point of view. Though in democracy, everybody should have free movement, should be allowed. In fact, many of our candidates, as of now also, their movements are restricted. But that is a security scenario which we can understand.
Mehbooba Mufti is also under detention, not allowed to go for a press conference. Just 10 minutes.
I don't know whether she is under detention or not. If you say that she is under detention, that is not good. Everybody should be allowed free movement because the essence of democracy is